I am in Farmington Hills at the moment, and this is my first showing of a home after taking my real estate license courses. So my next step actually is to take the state exam. So I'm going to actually take another course, do a little bit more studying while it's still fresh in my head, and then I'm going to go ahead and just sign up to take the state exam. I want to pass it. It's $79. So a lot of people don't really pass it their first time around, but I want to because don't want to pay $79 twice. I'm just going to be real about it. But at this moment, I'm kind of being trained right now because I'm going to see if I want to be up underneath this broker. I will be working with someone who has actually been a student of mine before and now is like we're co-working or a team together. So being trained under that. So they just pulled up, so I'm going to get ready to get up out of here. So it's somewhere around 12 or 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and this is just kind of starting the second half of my day. I tend to eat around this time. I don't eat as soon as I get up. Most of the time I don't, but yes, I cook all my meals at home. If you are not following me on my second channel, BeautyCutright Fitness, you're missing out a lot on how I prep my food, how I eat, how I exercise, all of that cool jazz. So make sure you find your way over to that page, and yeah, let me continue working. I'm getting ready to show you how you can send the information to create a live webinar through Zoom. So I have a Zoom account, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Finders and into my applications. So here in applications, I'm going to open up Zoom. So morning/afternoon.
Shouldn't have known if I was the one who's drowning in your flood. It's overwhelming me, but I guess it's clear to me now.
I had to change. Gotta go pick up some stuff. So quite honestly, guys, I'm always changing my closet room around. I did not record it. I'm so sorry for that, but at least you guys get an idea of what it looks like at this moment. However, I'm also playing around in my bedroom and redecorating it, and there is a mirror that you probably saw earlier in the clips or in this video that I'm trying to purchase. So I'm just kind of figuring out how I want to do this area in my bedroom. So I went to go pick up this mirror that I wanted to put in my bedroom. Hey, I just passed my old school job. And the darn thing would not fit in my baby car.
Oh, Candace.
So guess what, guys? The next day I got the mirror. So the way you see it being set up right here at the end of this clips is not exactly what it looks like right now, but I'm just showing you where I started off with. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see more vlog style videos like this. I plan to do this more often, so I'm trying to try it out and see how it works. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video.